Good, you are welcome. So in today's video, we'll be looking at how we can remove any blemishes from any image, whether it's on the face or you have a picture that is blurred, no problem. In less than a minute, that is less than 60 seconds, we are going to take away any blemish or any blur image. We are going to brighten it with our smartphone. One, you don't need any experience. All you need is your smartphone, and that is it. Good. Welcome back. So this is the app we are going to use, Retouching. You can download it on all platforms. So when the app opens, click on it, then you locate where your pictures are. So I'm using this image. I downloaded it from Pixabay. If you want to have the same outcome, then you can get the link to the picture for you to download it for free. Good. Now you can see that this is the real image I downloaded. So when you upload it and it's being uploaded onto the app, this is the base, come to the pro and relax. Good. So when I slide here, perfect finish. Now you can see that it has left with just a small one. If you like this one, click on save and it will save onto your phone. If you don't want it, let's click on the home button. Then let's click on the last icon here. Good. So that is the before on my left, after. Now let's go to the left. Great. You can see that the picture is now perfect. No spots, nothing more, nothing less. Hit the save button and you are good to go. So that is the end of our tutorial. I just wanted to show you how you can brighten your image in less than a minute, and you can use it for your graphic design and anything. In fact, let me also say that it is not only the face that you can brighten, you can actually brighten any image at all. Now I took a picture with my camera. Good. So I'm uploading that picture. Great. So you can see that this is the picture I took. It's dark. Now let's go to the pro and see. Now when you come here, you realize that improvement has come. Even if you click on the last option after the pro, you will get something nice. So that is how you can brighten, whether it's only a face, how you can brighten any blur image, remove spotless. It can be a group picture, it can be a large picture, it can be only the face. Whatever your needs are, this app has got you covered. So good. So we will end our tutorial here. Yes, this one was a very simple one. You can use it for anything you want to use. Single image, group image, blurry image, everything is done in less than 60 seconds. So don't forget that the app uses data, so your data must be on so that you can access it. Now if you are new to my channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, click the notification so that you not miss any important video. Trust me, you can go through my videos. I have quite important ones there. And if you've subscribed and you've come back, thumbs up, hit the share button and let others also benefit. It's bye bye for now, and thanks for watching.